have any more money! Hardman, is that you?
Get in. There's not much time.
How did this happen?
I'm here to show you how.
The bank only has so much money in the vault to lend out to people, such as you. By the time he got to you, his bank was out of money.
But if they don't have any money, then where did my money come from?
The Fed is a private bank owned by private stockholders.
A private bank?
Do not let the name Federal fool you.
If I got this money from the bank, and the bank got it from the Federal Reserve dump trucks, where does the Federal Reserve get their money?
They take our property away, just like Thomas Jefferson said they would.
Those sons of bitches!
It's the greatest theft in human history.